Our solar system is home to 8 planets, but only one supports life, Earth. What makes it so unique? Let's compare Earth to its cosmic neighbors. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a world of extremes. With no atmosphere to retain heat, its surface temperatures swing from 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Earth, protected by its thick atmosphere, maintains stable temperatures, making life possible. Venus is often called Earth's twin due to its similar size, but the resemblance ends there. Its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. With temperatures reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Unlike Earth, Venus has no liquid water and no way to sustain life as we know it. Mars, often considered the most Earth-like planet, has polar ice caps and evidence of ancient rivers. However, its thin atmosphere, 100 times thinner than Earth's, means it can't retain heat, with average temperatures at minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars also lacks a magnetic field, leaving it exposed to harmful cosmic radiation. Jupiter is a gas giant with no solid surface. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, with violent storms like the Great Red Spot, a storm that has raged for centuries. If Earth were placed inside Jupiter, it would fit more than 1,300 times. The extreme gravity and crushing pressure make it an inhospitable world for life as we know it. Beyond our solar system, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some, like Kepler-22b and Proxima Centauri b, exist in their stars' habitable zones. But while some have Earth-like characteristics, none have been confirmed to support life. Earth's combination of water, atmosphere, magnetic field, and stable climate makes it truly one of a kind, at least for now. Earth is the perfect balance of size, atmosphere, water, and magnetic protection. While we continue searching for habitable worlds, one fact remains. For now, Earth is the only planet we can call home. Protecting it isn't just an option, it's a necessity.
Hello! Today we will talk about building a model of the solar system. Our solar system consists of many components, such as the Sun, planets, and other planets. To build this model, we can use natural materials or materials that are available at home. For example, we can use a mirror to represent the Sun, and use a can or bottle to represent the planets. Building this model is not only fun, but it is a great opportunity to learn about the relationships between the planets and the competition to revolve around the Sun. Building this model can help us better understand the state of the world and what happens in space. Start building your model now and share your work with your friends. You know, when we think about the moon landing, we often hear that phrase, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." It's iconic, right? But let's unpack that a bit, because it's more than just a moment in history. It's a reflection of human spirit and ambition. Picture this. It's July 20th, 1969. The world is glued to their screens, anxiously waiting as Apollo 11 prepares to touch down on the lunar surface. Can you imagine the anxiety and excitement? It wasn't just about planting a flag. It was about proving that we could achieve the impossible. Now, let's talk about the people behind this monumental task. We often focus on Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, but what about the thousands of engineers, scientists, and even the unsung heroes who worked tirelessly behind the scenes? These individuals faced countless challenges, technical failures, budget cuts, and even skepticism from the public. Yet, they persevered. They believed in a vision that seemed far-fetched at the time. And here's where it gets really interesting. The moon landing wasn't just a victory for the United States. It was a triumph for humanity as a whole. It united people across the globe, igniting a sense of wonder and curiosity about space. Suddenly, the stars felt closer, and the universe seemed a little less daunting. But let's not forget the lessons we learned. The technology developed for the moon landing has had ripple effects in our daily lives. From advancements in telecommunications to improvements in materials science, the legacy of Apollo 11 is still with us today. So, Next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not just a giant leap for mankind. It's a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited because we're going to do something a little different. A little out of this world, literally. We're going to build the solar system right in my living room. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to take those celestial bodies that we usually only see in textbooks or on our screens and bring them to life right here in our own space. So grab your craft supplies and let's get started. First off, let's talk about why we're doing this. The solar system is an incredible place, filled with fascinating planets, moons, and even asteroids. It's our cosmic neighborhood, and understanding it can help us appreciate our own planet a little more. Plus, building a model is a fun way to learn about the scale and distance between these celestial bodies. Trust me, it's way more engaging than just reading about it. All right, so the first thing we need to do is figure out how we're going to represent each planet. For this project, I'm going to use different-sized balls. You can use anything from styrofoam balls to paper mache, or even just crumpled-up aluminum foil. The key is to make sure they're proportionate to each other. For example, the sun is the biggest, so I'm using a giant beach ball for that. It's bright yellow and definitely stands out in my living room. Now, as we move outward from the sun, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury is the smallest planet, so I'm using a tiny marble. Then, Venus is a little bigger, so I'll grab a ping-pong ball for that. Earth? Well, I've got a blue and green painted ball that represents our beautiful planet perfectly. And Mars? I'm going with a red bouncy ball. You can already see how this is coming together. Next, we have the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet, so I'm using a soccer ball. It's perfect because it's big enough to show off those iconic stripes. For Saturn, I found a hula hoop that I'm going to use to represent its rings. It's a great way to visualize how unique and stunning Saturn really is. Uranus is next, and I have a light blue ball for that one. And finally, Neptune, which is a darker blue, is represented by a slightly smaller ball I found in my kids' toy bin. Now, let's talk about the distances between these planets. This is where it gets really interesting. If we were to scale the solar system down to fit in my living room, we'd have to space these planets out quite a bit. For example, if the sun is sitting right here on my coffee table, Mercury would be just a few inches away. But by the time we get to Neptune, it would be across the room. It's mind-blowing to think about how vast space is, and this model really puts it into perspective. While we're at it, let's not forget about the dwarf planets. Pluto may not be considered a full planet anymore, but it's still part of our solar system family. I'm going to use a small button to represent Pluto, and I'll place it way out in the corner of the room, just to emphasize how far away it is from the sun. So, there you have it. We've built our very own solar system right here in my living room. I hope this inspires you to try it out in your own space. Not only is it a fun activity, but it's also a great way to learn about the universe we live in. Remember, the more we understand about our solar system, the more we can appreciate the beauty and wonder of it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own solar system creations in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring. If you've ever thought about the feeling of standing in front of a grand structure like the Dusit Thani Temple or a grand bridge, you'll understand that the idea of a statue can change dramatically. But the question is it bigger than that? When architecture becomes an expression of power and culture, it can be a source of satisfaction and consideration for what it represents about society. But making a grand statue isn't just a pretty picture. It also has economic and environmental value. How much time and resources does it take? We should ask, is creating a grand statue beneficial to society? Or is it a display of ideas or power? So, do you think bigger than that is a good idea? Have you ever stood before something so grand that it takes your breath away? Imagine towering statues, each a testament to human creativity and ambition. The world's largest statues are not just colossal figures. They are stories carved in stone, echoing the dreams and cultures of the people who built them. Take the Statue of Unity in India, standing at an astonishing 182 meters. It's a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a leader who unified a nation. Or consider the Christ the Redeemer in Brazil, arms wide open, welcoming millions to Rio. These statues do more than just rise above landscapes. They connect us to history, faith, and the essence of humanity. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or just a curious traveler, these monumental creations invite us to reflect on our shared experiences. So next time you see a giant statue, remember, it's more than just stone. It's a piece of our global story.
Our solar system is an amazing place. At its center is a star we call the Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of hot gas that gives off light and heat. It's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Everything in our solar system, including our planet Earth, revolves around the Sun. This means that all the planets are constantly moving in orbits around the Sun. It's like a cosmic dance with the Sun leading the way. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, starting closest to the Sun and moving outwards. First, Mercury. This is the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. It's a rocky planet with a very thin atmosphere. Next, Venus. This planet is about the same size as Earth, but it's incredibly hot. It has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. And then we have Earth, our home planet. Earth is the only planet known to have life. It has liquid water, a perfect atmosphere, and a moon. Moving on to Mars, this red planet is known for its rusty color, which comes from iron oxide, like rust, on its surface. Scientists believe Mars might have once had water. Now let's talk about Jupiter. This is the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. Saturn follows, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. It's also a gas giant like Jupiter. Then there's Uranus. This blue-green ice giant is tilted on its side, making it unique in our solar system. Finally, Neptune. This is the farthest planet from the Sun, a cold and windy ice giant with a dark spot similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. To be called a planet, a celestial body must meet certain criteria set by the International Astronomical Union, or IAU. First, it needs to orbit the Sun. Secondly, it must be big enough to have enough gravity to pull itself into a round or nearly round shape. Lastly, it needs to have cleared its neighborhood around its orbit, meaning there are no other objects of comparable size in its path except for its own moons or objects under its gravitational influence. This last criterion is important to understand why Pluto is no longer considered a planet. Pluto was discovered in 1930 and was considered our 9th planet for many years. However, in 2006, the IAU reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Why? Because Pluto hasn't cleared its neighborhood around its orbit. It shares its space with other objects in a region called the Kuiper Belt, a donut-shaped area beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. While Pluto is large enough to be round, it hasn't cleared its path. Even though Pluto is no longer called a planet, it's still a fascinating and important part of our solar system. It reminds us that there's always more to learn about the universe and that our understanding of space is constantly evolving.
The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean. It is located in the western Pacific Ocean. The trench is a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust. It is more than 1,500 miles, or 2,550 kilometers, long and 43 miles, or 69 kilometers wide on average. The deepest point in the Mariana Trench is called Challenger Deep. Challenger Deep is named after the British survey ship Challenger 2, which first pinpointed the location in 1951. The Challenger Deep is approximately 7 miles or 11 kilometers deep. To put that depth into perspective, if you could put Mount Everest at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the peak would still be more than 1.2 miles or 2 kilometers underwater. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is more than 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. The first expedition to the Challenger Deep was in 1960. Swiss oceanographer Jacques Piccard and US Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh made the journey. They descended in a bathyscaphe called the Trieste. The Trieste was a unique vessel designed to withstand the immense pressure of the deep ocean. The descent took almost 5 hours and they spent about 20 minutes on the ocean floor. Their journey was a remarkable achievement in exploration and engineering. It marked the beginning of our fascination with the deepest point on Earth. In 2012, I had the privilege of making the second solo descent to the Challenger Deep. I piloted a specially designed submersible called the Deep Sea Challenger. My goal was to spend more time exploring the bottom of the trench. I wanted to observe and collect samples of the environment and marine life. The Deep Sea Challenger was equipped with advanced technology for scientific research and filmmaking. It allowed me to capture the beauty and mystery of this unexplored world. The Deep Sea Challenger was engineered to overcome the immense challenges of the deep ocean. It had a unique vertical design that allowed it to descend and ascend quickly. The submersible was equipped with powerful LED lights to illuminate the dark depths. It also had robotic arms for collecting samples and a high-definition 3D camera system to record the expedition. The sphere that housed me was made of thick steel to withstand the immense pressure. It was a technological marvel that enabled me to explore one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Section 5 Deep Sea Challenger Technology. Despite the extreme conditions, the Mariana Trench is home to a surprising variety of life. During my dive, I observed several types of creatures, including amphipods, sea cucumbers, and jellyfish. These organisms have adapted to survive in complete darkness, extreme pressure, and cold temperatures. They are honestly a testament to the incredible resilience of life. Scientists are still studying the unique adaptations of these deep-sea creatures. Their findings could have implications for various fields, including medicine and biotechnology. Section 6. Life in the Mariana Trench. Exploring the Mariana Trench presents numerous challenges. The extreme pressure can crush even the strongest materials. The darkness and cold temperatures make it difficult to see and work. Communication with the surface is also a challenge due to the depth. The submersible must withstand strong currents and navigate through a completely dark environment. Despite these challenges, the rewards of exploring this unique environment are immense. It pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity and expands our understanding of the planet. Section 7 Challenges of the Deep. Exploring the Mariana Trench is crucial for advancing our understanding of the ocean and our planet. It provides valuable insights into the geology, biology, and chemistry of this unexplored frontier. Studying the deep ocean can help us learn about the origins of life on Earth. It can also shed light on the impacts of climate change and pollution. The discoveries made in these extreme environments can lead to new technologies and innovations that benefit humanity. Section 8, Why we explore. The exploration of the Mariana Trench is far from over. New technologies and submersibles are being developed to allow us to explore this extreme environment in greater detail. Scientists are eager to learn more about the unique life forms that inhabit the trench. They're also interested in studying the geological processes that created this deep-sea chasm. The future of deep ocean exploration is full of possibilities. It promises to reveal even more secrets hidden in the deepest parts of our planet. Section 9. The future of deep ocean exploration. The Mariana Trench, with its extreme conditions and unique life forms, continues to fascinate and inspire us. It is a reminder of the vastness and mystery of our planet. As we continue to explore the deep ocean, we can expect to make even more remarkable discoveries that will expand our knowledge and challenge our understanding of the world around us. The journey to the deepest point on Earth is a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 richest billionaires in the world. In the vast savanna of human endeavor, where fortunes are made and lost like migrating herds, a select few individuals have amassed wealth beyond the wildest dreams of most. Let's dive into this world of immense wealth, a realm often shrouded in mystery, and meet the remarkable individuals who stand atop this financial mountain. We will uncover their stories, their journeys to the top, and the impact their wealth has had on the world. From the high-tech realm of Silicon Valley emerges Elon Musk, a titan of industry with a mind that seems to race far ahead of our time. Born in South Africa, Musk's early interest in computers blossomed into a lifelong passion for technology and innovation. His entrepreneurial spirit led him to co-found PayPal, revolutionizing online payments. But Musk's ambitions extended far beyond the digital world. With Tesla, Musk dared to challenge the automotive industry, pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology and accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. His vision for a future powered by renewable resources drives him relentlessly, pushing the limits of engineering and design. But Musk's sights remained fixed on the stars, and with SpaceX, he set out to conquer the final frontier. His relentless pursuit of reusable rockets and interplanetary travel has reignited humanity's fascination with space exploration, making him a modern-day Jules Verne. Musk's wealth is a testament to his unwavering belief in human ingenuity. His companies are not merely businesses, they are vehicles for change, driven by a desire to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Whether it's combating climate change with electric cars or making life multiplanetary, Elon Musk's impact on the world is undeniable. His journey is a testament to the power of ambition, innovation, and a touch of audacity. Elon Musk reminds us that the impossible is merely a challenge waiting to be conquered. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, Jeff Bezos stands as the architect of a global empire built on the foundation of convenience and endless choice. From a humble online bookstore, Bezos transformed Amazon into a behemoth of e-commerce, forever changing the way we shop and consume. Bezos possessed an uncanny ability to anticipate the needs of the digital age, recognizing the potential of the internet to connect businesses with customers worldwide. His relentless focus on customer satisfaction and his willingness to embrace innovation fueled Amazon's meteoric rise, making it synonymous with online shopping. But Bezos's ambition extended far beyond retail. Under his leadership, Amazon ventured into cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, becoming a dominant force in the digital infrastructure that powers the internet. His investments in artificial intelligence and robotics further cemented Amazon's position at the forefront of technological advancement. Bezos's wealth is a reflection of his ability to harness the power of technology to reshape entire industries. His vision extended beyond simply selling products. He sought to create an ecosystem that touched every aspect of modern life. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of the internet and the boundless opportunities that arise from a relentless pursuit of innovation. Jeff Bezos's impact on the world is undeniable, shaping the way we live, work, and interact in the digital age. From the heart of Paris, Bernard Arnault presides over LVMH, a sprawling empire of luxury brands that epitomize elegance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Arnault's keen eye for quality and his understanding of the enduring allure of luxury goods have made him the curator of a portfolio that includes iconic names like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Moet & Chandon. Arnault's journey began in the world of engineering, but his entrepreneurial spirit and his passion for artistry led him to the world of fashion and luxury. He recognized the power of heritage, craftsmanship, and storytelling in creating brands that resonate with discerning customers worldwide. Under Arnault's leadership, LVMH has become synonymous with luxury, setting the standard for quality and exclusivity in a rapidly evolving market. His ability to identify and nurture emerging talent, combined with his strategic acquisitions of iconic brands, has cemented LVMH's position as a global leader. Arnault's wealth is a testament to the enduring appeal of luxury goods and his ability to create a conglomerate that celebrates the art of living well. His vision has transformed the luxury industry, making it more global, more accessible, and more relevant to a new generation of consumers. His journey is a testament to the power of heritage, creativity, and the enduring allure of the finer things in life. Bernard Arnault's impact on the world of luxury is undeniable, shaping our perceptions of style, elegance, and the art of living. From the early days of the personal computer revolution, Bill Gates emerged as a visionary leader, his name synonymous with the rise of Microsoft and the dawn of the digital age. With an intellect as sharp as a silicon chip, Gates co-founded Microsoft and steered it to become a global software giant, putting a computer on every desk and in every home. Gates's brilliance lay not only in his technical prowess but also in his ability to anticipate the future of technology. He envisioned a world where computers were no longer confined to research labs but became indispensable tools for individuals and businesses alike. His relentless drive and competitive spirit propelled Microsoft to the forefront of the tech industry, shaping the digital landscape we know today. However, Gates's legacy extends far beyond the realm of software. Recognizing the immense wealth he had accumulated, he embarked on a philanthropic journey with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, tackling some of the world's most pressing challenges, from eradicating diseases to improving education. His transition from tech titan to global philanthropist is a testament to his compassion and his belief in using his wealth for the betterment of humanity. Bill Gates's impact on the world is twofold. He revolutionized technology and then dedicated himself to addressing global inequality, reminding us that with great wealth comes great responsibility. In the realm of social interaction, Mark Zuckerberg stands as the architect of a digital empire that has fundamentally reshaped human connection. From a dorm room project at Harvard University, Facebook emerged as a global phenomenon, connecting billions of people worldwide and transforming the way we communicate, share, and consume information. Zuckerberg possessed an innate understanding of the human desire for connection and belonging. He envisioned a digital space where people could interact seamlessly, share their lives, and build communities around shared interests. Facebook's meteoric rise reflected this deep-seated human need, making it an integral part of the social fabric of the 21st century. However, Zuckerberg's creation has not been without its challenges. Concerns over privacy, data security, and the spread of misinformation have cast a shadow on Facebook's legacy, forcing Zuckerberg to confront the unintended consequences of his creation. Despite these challenges, Zuckerberg's impact on the world is undeniable. He has democratized access to information, empowered individuals to share their voices, and facilitated social movements on a global scale. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of technology and the enduring human need for connection in an increasingly digital world. In the heartland of America, far from the bustling tech hubs, resides Warren Buffett, a man whose wisdom and investment acumen have earned him the moniker the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett's approach to investing is legendary, characterized by patience, discipline, and an unwavering belief in the power of long-term value investing. From a young age, Buffett displayed an uncanny knack for identifying undervalued assets and predicting market trends. His investment philosophy, rooted in the teachings of his mentor, Benjamin Graham, emphasized fundamental analysis, seeking out companies with strong financials and a durable competitive advantage. Buffett's success lies not only in his investment acumen but also in his folksy charm and his reputation for integrity. He shies away from the limelight, preferring to let his investments speak for themselves. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, has become a conglomerate of diverse businesses, each carefully selected based on Buffett's investment principles. His wealth is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective in the often volatile world of investing. Warren Buffett's impact extends beyond the realm of finance. His philanthropic endeavors, particularly his pledge to donate the majority of his wealth to charitable causes, have inspired countless others to embrace philanthropy. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, Larry Ellison stands as a maverick, a captain of industry who steered Oracle Corporation to become a dominant force in the world of database software. With a personality as bold as his business acumen, Ellison built Oracle from the ground up, transforming it into a behemoth that manages data for corporations and governments worldwide. Ellison's journey is a testament to his unwavering belief in the power of innovation and his relentless pursuit of excellence. He recognized the critical role that data would play in the digital age, and he positioned Oracle at the forefront of this revolution. His competitive spirit and his drive to be the best fueled Oracle's growth, making it a cornerstone of the modern technological infrastructure. Beyond his business prowess, Ellison is known for his flamboyant personality and his passion for sailing. His love for the open water is reflected in his ownership of Oracle Team USA, a sailing syndicate that has clinched victory in the prestigious America's Cup. Ellison's wealth is a reflection of his ability to anticipate technological trends and his relentless pursuit of market dominance. His impact on the world of technology is undeniable, shaping the way businesses manage and utilize data in the digital age. In the vast digital library of the Internet, Larry Page stands as the architect of search, a pioneer who, alongside Sergey Brin, co-founded Google and forever changed the way we access information. With a mind that seemed to process information like a supercomputer, Page developed the PageRank algorithm, the foundation upon which Google's search engine was built. Page's vision was to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. He understood that the Internet's vast potential lay not only in its ability to connect people, but also in its power to empower individuals with knowledge. Google's rise to become the world's most popular search engine is a testament to the elegance and effectiveness of Page's creation. Beyond search, Page's ambition led Google to develop a suite of products and services that have become ubiquitous in our digital lives, from Gmail to Android to Google Maps. His relentless pursuit of innovation and his willingness to push the boundaries of technology have cemented Google's position as a technological behemoth. Page's wealth is a reflection of his ability to solve complex problems and his vision for a world where information is freely accessible to all. His impact on the world is immeasurable, shaping the way we learn, connect, and navigate the digital landscape. Alongside Larry Page, Sergey Brin stands as a co-architect of the information age, a brilliant mind who helped shape Google into the global powerhouse it is today. Brin's journey, intertwined with Page's from their days as Stanford University graduate students, is a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision for a better future. Brin's contributions to Google extended beyond the initial development of the search engine. His deep understanding of data analysis and his passion for artificial intelligence helped shape Google's evolution, leading to the creation of groundbreaking products like Google Translate and Google's self-driving car project. Brin's impact on the world extends beyond the realm of technology. His philanthropic endeavors, often focused on renewable energy and addressing climate change, reflect his deep concern for the future of the planet. His willingness to invest in bold, unconventional solutions to global challenges showcases his belief in the power of innovation to create a better world. His wealth is a reflection of his role in revolutionizing the way we access and interact with information. Sergey Brin's legacy is intertwined with Google's mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible, a vision that continues to shape the digital landscape. In the annals of technology, Steve Ballmer's name is synonymous with energy, enthusiasm, and the relentless expansion of Microsoft's software empire. As CEO, Ballmer took the reins from Bill Gates and steered Microsoft through a period of significant growth, solidifying its position as a dominant force in the tech industry. Ballmer's leadership style was a stark contrast to Gates's more reserved demeanor. Known for his infectious energy and his booming voice, Ballmer brought a unique dynamism to Microsoft, rallying his troops with his passionate speeches and his unwavering belief in the company's mission. During Ballmer's tenure, Microsoft expanded its product portfolio beyond its flagship Windows operating system, venturing into new markets with products like the Xbox gaming console and the Azure cloud computing platform. His strategic acquisitions, including Skype and LinkedIn, further broadened Microsoft's reach and influence. Ballmer's wealth is a testament to his role in guiding Microsoft through a period of significant growth and transformation. His impact on the tech industry is undeniable, shaping the way we work, play, and connect in the digital age. And there you have it, the top 10 richest billionaires in the world. Their stories are a testament to innovation, hard work, and sometimes a bit of luck. These individuals, each with their unique journeys and contributions, have left an undeniable mark on the world, shaping industries, driving innovation, and influencing the course of human history. As we've journeyed through their stories, we've witnessed the power of ideas to transform societies and the responsibility that comes with immense wealth. Their stories serve as a source of inspiration and a reminder that the pursuit of excellence, combined with a touch of audacity, can lead to extraordinary achievements. The world of wealth often shrouded in mystery, is ultimately a reflection of human endeavor, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.
The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its silvery glow illuminates our night sky, inspiring wonder and igniting our imaginations. Since the dawn of time, humans have gazed up at the Moon, pondering its mysteries and yearning to unlock its secrets. For centuries, the Moon has been a source of myths and legends. Ancient civilizations crafted intricate stories about the Moon, weaving tales of lunar deities, celestial beings, and fantastical creatures. But beyond its mythical significance, the Moon plays a crucial role in shaping life on Earth. Its gravitational pull governs our planet's tides, influencing the rhythms of our oceans and the creatures that inhabit them. The Moon, unlike the stars scattered across the vast cosmic canvas, appears close enough to touch. However, the lunar surface, with its craters and plains, lies a significant distance from our home planet. On average, the Moon orbits Earth at a distance of approximately 384,400 kilometers. To put this vast distance into perspective, imagine embarking on a journey around the Earth. At the equator, our planet's circumference spans roughly 40,075 kilometers. This means that the Moon's average distance from Earth is nearly 10 times the distance you would travel to circle our entire planet. While the average distance to the Moon provides a useful reference point, it's important to note that the Moon's orbit around Earth is not perfectly circular. Instead, it follows an elliptical path, which means that the distance between our planet and the Moon is constantly changing. At its closest point to Earth, known as perigee, the Moon ventures within approximately 363,104 kilometers. Conversely, at its farthest point, called apogee, the lunar orb recedes to a distance of about 405,696 kilometers from Earth. This variation in distance is noticeable in the night sky, with the Moon appearing slightly larger during perigee and slightly smaller during apogee. Understanding the Moon's ever-changing distance is not merely an academic exercise, it holds profound implications for space exploration. When planning missions to the Moon, scientists and engineers must meticulously account for the lunar distance to ensure the success of their endeavors. For example, during the Apollo missions, NASA meticulously calculated the optimal launch windows to minimize the distance the spacecraft had to travel, thereby reducing fuel consumption and travel time. Today, as we venture back to the Moon with ambitious plans for lunar bases and long-term exploration, precise knowledge of the lunar distance remains paramount.
Qin Shi Huang was born in 259 BC. He became king of the Qin state when he was only 13 years old. He was ambitious and powerful. He wanted to unite all of China under his rule. In 221 BC, he achieved his goal. He conquered the other 6 warring states. He declared himself Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. This marked the beginning of a new era, Imperial China. Emperor Qin Shi Huang faced threats. Nomadic tribes from the north often raided Chinese settlements. The emperor envisioned a solution. He decided to connect and strengthen existing walls. These walls were built by previous states. This is how the Great Wall's construction began. The emperor's vision was clear. A single fortified barrier would protect his empire. It would prevent invasions and secure the peace. The Great Wall was more than a wall. It was a symbol of unity and strength. Constructing the Great Wall was a massive undertaking. It was one of the largest construction projects in human history. Hundreds of thousands of laborers worked on the wall. Soldiers, peasants, and even convicts were conscripted. The work was grueling and dangerous. Many workers died due to harsh conditions. They faced extreme weather, accidents, and diseases. Their sacrifice, however, built one of the world's most iconic structures. Section 4. A wall of division, a symbol of unity. The Great Wall stretched for thousands of miles. It crossed mountains, deserts, and grasslands. The wall was not a single continuous structure. It was a network of walls and fortifications. The Great Wall served as a physical barrier. It also had a symbolic meaning. It represented the emperor's power and the unity of the empire. The wall divided the civilized world from the nomadic tribes. It stood as a testament to human endurance and ingenuity. Section 5. Whispers in the Wind, Legends of the Wall. Over the centuries, many legends arose surrounding the Great Wall. One popular legend tells the story of Meng Jiangnu. She was a young woman whose husband was conscripted to work on the wall. Meng Jiangnu traveled for miles to find her husband. She learned that he had died during the construction. Her grief was so profound that a section of the wall crumbled. This allowed her to find her husband's remains. The story highlights the human cost of the wall's construction. Section 6. Beyond the Bricks, the Emperor's Other Projects. While the Great Wall is Qin Shi Huang's most famous accomplishment, he achieved much more. He standardized weights and measures, currency, and the written language. He also initiated large-scale infrastructure projects, including roads and canals. These reforms helped to unify the empire and promote trade. Qin Shi Huang is also remembered for his magnificent tomb. It houses the famous terracotta army. This is a collection of life-size terracotta sculptures of soldiers and horses. The tomb is a testament to his power and grandeur. Section 7. A legacy etched in stone. Qin Shi Huang died in 210 BC, but his legacy lived on. The Great Wall continued to be expanded and fortified by later dynasties. It became a symbol of China's strength and resilience. The wall's impact on Chinese history is undeniable. It shaped the country's defense strategy and cultural identity. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It attracts millions of visitors each year. It stands as a reminder of Qin Shi Huang's ambition and the enduring spirit of China. Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey through history to a time when the largest moving object ever built graced the seas. The Titanic, a marvel of engineering and luxury, met a tragic end, taking with her countless stories and treasures. We often think of shipwrecks as lost worlds consumed by the ocean's depths, but some objects, like delicate fossils preserved in stone, resurface, offering us glimpses into the past. Join me as we dive into the history of the Titanic, exploring the stories behind 5 of the most valuable items it carried, revealing the human drama and historical significance held within these sunken treasures. The Heart of the Ocean, a breathtaking blue diamond necklace, captured our imaginations in James Cameron's epic film. While a fictional creation, the necklace reflects a historical truth. Many passengers, particularly those in first class, carried exquisite and valuable jewels. The legend of the Heart of the Ocean speaks to the enduring allure of precious stones, how these objects become imbued with stories, hopes, and dreams. Though fictional, it reminds us of the very real treasures that were lost when the Titanic sank. Perhaps somewhere in the wreckage, a jewel as captivating as the Heart of the Ocean awaits discovery, its story waiting to be told. Among the Titanic's lost treasures was a rare and exquisitely bound copy of the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam, a collection of Persian poetry that speaks to life, love, and the fleeting nature of time. This particular edition, owned by an American businessman, was valued for its ornate binding and historical significance. Imagine the hands that once held this book, the eyes that traced its elegant script, pondering the mysteries of life and the universe. Each page turned a silent testament to the power of words and the enduring human spirit. The loss of such a treasure reminds us of the fragility of our creations, how even the most beautiful and enduring objects can be lost in an instant. Isidor Straus, co-owner of Macy's department store, and his wife Ida boarded the Titanic with a collection of jewels befitting their social standing. Ida was offered a place on a lifeboat but refused to leave her husband's side, a testament to their enduring love. Despite the chaos and tragedy, some of Ida's jewels were recovered: a platinum watch, a 3-stone diamond ring, objects imbued with a poignant history, silent witnesses to a love story cut tragically short. These recovered pieces offer a tangible link to the past, reminding us of the human lives intertwined with the fate of the Titanic. Beyond the dazzling jewels and priceless artifacts, the Titanic carried everyday objects that spoke to the ship's opulence and the passengers' refined lifestyles. The ship's silverware, crafted by some of the finest silversmiths of the era, bore the White Star Line insignia, a mark of luxury and prestige. Imagine the clinking of these silver utensils in the grand dining hall, the laughter and conversation echoing around tables laden with fine china and crystal. Each piece a testament to the artistry of a bygone era. Remarkably, some of the Titanic's silverware has been recovered, offering a tangible connection to the ship's everyday grandeur and the lives of those who dined aboard her. The Titanic's grand staircase, a masterpiece of Edwardian elegance, was dominated by an ornate clock, its face framed by bronze cherubs and maritime motifs. This timepiece, more than just a functional object, served as a symbol of the ship's grandeur and the aspirations of those who sailed on her. The clock's hands, forever frozen at the moment the Titanic slipped beneath the waves, serve as a poignant reminder of the relentless passage of time and the fleeting nature of human endeavors. While the grand staircase clock remains lost, its image continues to resonate, a symbol of the Titanic's lost magnificence and the enduring power of time. The Titanic, though lost to the depths, continues to captivate our imaginations. The stories behind these valuable items serve as a reminder of the human lives intertwined with this maritime tragedy. Each recovered artifact, a fragment of history, offers us a glimpse into a bygone era and the lives of those who sailed on that fateful voyage. The ocean holds its secrets close, but occasionally it offers us glimpses into the past, reminding us of the power of storytelling and the enduring fascination with history's mysteries. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time.